It is a simple and fast review of the Silkland DisplayPort 2.1 6-foot 54 gigabytes per second cable. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this out of its bag here, I'm just going to show you. That is the DisplayPort side. You'll note that it has just a little bit of connection or indentation on this side, but this side on the bottom is flat. So it's a little different than general HDMI. Pretty good threading here, as you can see on this. So we're going to go ahead and replace. There's a 54 gigabyte per second. I've got a cheap little Amazon Basics that keeps going green on my monitor. So we're going to replace it with this and see what happens, and I'll show you the result. All right, so you'll see the top one going into my computer is the DisplayPort. The bottom one is the HDMI, so it's a little bit thicker. This is the old one. Not as good a quality cable. Still DisplayPort, but just not quality. And as you can tell, there's absolutely no difference, but it is not green anymore, which is a super positive. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you. High quality stuff, especially if you're doing any kind of gaming or HD video, stuff like that. And since we mentioned HD video, might as well just show you that this does a really nice job of getting good high quality content out there. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.